Saving feels impossible for most people. Not because they don't try, but because they try the wrong way. If you've ever said, "I'll save from next month," and failed again, this video is for you. Most people start with good intentions. Salary comes, and they think, "This time I'll save." But days pass, bills arrive, life happens, and by the end of the month, savings are gone or never happen. Then something worse happens. People don't blame the system, they blame themselves. "I'm bad with money. I have no discipline. I'll never be financially stable." But here's the truth. The problem is not you. The problem is how saving is designed in your life. Saving is treated like an extra task, something you do after spending. But spending is automatic. Saving is manual. And automatic always beats manual. People believe willpower will fix everything. If I just try harder, I'll save. But willpower is limited. It gets tired. It disappears when stress, hunger, or emergencies show up. That's why saving based on motivation never works long term. Your brain is designed to solve urgent problems. Rent is urgent. Food is urgent. Bills are urgent. Saving is important, but it's not urgent. So your brain pushes it aside every time. This is not weakness. This is biology. The real reason savings fail. Saving fails because it depends on choice. Every month, you choose between comfort now and safety later. And comfort now usually wins. So people repeat the same cycle for years. The solution is not saving more. The solution is removing choice. Saving should not be a decision. It should be a default. The moment money comes in, saving should happen first, before spending, before thinking, before emotions get involved. Even a small amount is enough to start, because the goal is not the amount, it's the habit. When saving becomes automatic, stress reduces. You stop fighting yourself. Two people earn the same salary. One saves randomly when possible. The other saves a small fixed amount automatically every month. After 1 year, the second person always wins, not because of income, but because of system. You don't need to be perfect with money. You don't need complicated apps. You don't need to be rich. You need one rule that works even on bad days. Money problems are not about intelligence. They are about habits and systems. Once the system is right, discipline becomes easy. If saving feels impossible, stop blaming yourself. Fix the system instead. This video is for educational purposes only. Subscribe for simple finance that actually works in real life.